Welcome the R channel. Today we how to update your Ahrefs DR strategy to prioritize link building. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Ahrefs account and navigating to the Site Explorer tool. Enter the URL of your website in the search bar and hit the search button. Once the analysis is complete, locate the domain rating, or DR, on the right side of the screen. Take note of your current DR value, as this will help you track your progress. Next, navigate to the Backlink Profiles section to analyze your existing backlinks. Review the quality and quantity of backlinks your site currently has. Identify any low quality or toxic backlinks that may be negatively impacting your doctor. Use the Disavow Links tool if necessary to remove these detrimental connections. Now, shift your focus to finding link building opportunities. Go to the Content Explorer tool and enter keywords relevant to your niche. Analyze the results and look for high authority pages that link to your competitors. Create a list of these competitors and their backlinks for reference. Next, identify outreach opportunities by scouting websites that are receptive to guest posts. Craft a personalized outreach email template that highlights your expertise and the value you can offer. Make sure to include a link to your best content as a reference. Now, prioritize the websites based on their domain authority and relevance to your niche. Begin outreach to the top candidates first and keep track of your responses. Meanwhile, consider creating high-quality, shareable content that naturally attracts backlinks. Focus on informative articles, infographics, or tools that others would want to link to. Monitor your progress in Ahrefs regularly to see how your DR changes over time. Adjust your strategy based on the data you gather from your link building efforts. Finally, continuously engage with your audience on relevant platforms to boost your online presence. Consistently update your strategy to adapt to changes in the digital landscape and competitor actions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.